Hey pack leaders, this is here friends Army, protecting families by protecting pack. I want to announce that we have the ability to now correct partial orders on Bitmex. So let me show you the demonstration how it works. So while it's tuning right now, I have it tested on just this one bot right now. So let's say we're currently on open orders Y, we are on a on this sample order. What is it? Oh, support Bitmex. Right here, 209 contracts, and it's currently in a short. So let's say somehow the trade amount got messed up, partial order, and it double bought, and now we're up to 400. Well, it's gonna constantly check on that, and if it checks on it and it says, hey, you know what, it's actually a 400, it's actually gonna change it to 209. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it so that you can kind of see the update, and we check it up. It's back to 209. It'll also double check the position too, make sure it's in the right place. Let's say it's in the long position and it's not supposed to be. It'll actually switch it to short. It'll check and switch it to short. No position, messed up, whatever. A close position, but it's actually still in the short. It'll keep checking it, making sure it matches the 209 position and the short, and it constantly checks it every I don't know, second or something like that. So let's say you get something weird. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Don't worry, it'll check it and fix it. Oh, 209. And let's try them both at the same time. No position, blah blah blah. It'll check, fix the short, and fix the trade amount. So if you're excited about that, I am. It's been such a big problem to partial orders are not filling. So that's the thing that will fix it. So this is going to push on the latest update, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching. You want to get access to the auto tuner, it's in the description below. And yeah, just click on the link. Thanks. Talk to you then.